Welcome to Ask and Learn.
In this question, we have to find the minimum linear speed that a sphere should have so that it completely goes around a circle on the cylindrical part. So first of all, I'm going to draw the diagram for this given question. This is the horizontal track we have given, and after this there is a cylindrical track. Let this is the cylindrical track which is given to us, whose radius is given to us, that is r. Now let the sphere be thrown with a velocity of v dash. So here its velocity is, let this is v dash, and when it comes to the topmost point here, let its velocity is v. So here its velocity can be given by v. Now I am going to draw the forces which acts on this sphere. One is the weight, that is mg, and we have given the radius of this track is r. So I can say that the distance between this center to this center, that is 2 times of r minus small r. Here small r is the radius of this sphere, and 1 is the centrifugal force which acts vertically outward, that is mv square upon r minus small r. Now from the free body diagram, at let this point is at A and this point is B. From free body diagram we can see that at point A, if the sphere is in balanced condition, that this net force due to weight is equals to this force of centrifugal. So we can see that at the topmost point, that is point A, the force of centrifugal, that is mv square upon r minus r, is equals to force due to the weight mg. From here we get the value of v, that is, or I can write v square is equals to g into r minus small r. This is our equation first. Now applying law of conservation of energy, between point A and B, we can say that energy at point A is equals to total energy at point B. So at A there is a potential energy which is written as 2 mg into r minus r, and at point A there is kinetic energy, that is half mv dash square plus rotational energy, that is half I omega dash square. And there is also po potential and kinetic energy at point A, that is half mv square plus half I omega square. Now put all the data in this equation. So this comes out to be 7 by 10 mv square plus 2 mg r minus r is equals to, this is 7 by 10 mv dash square. So from here we get 7 by 10 mv dash square is equals to, this is 27 mg r minus r upon 10. From here we get the value of v dash, that is under root of 27 by 7 gr minus small r. So this is the velocity of the sphere at which it is thrown, and this is our answer for this given question. Thank you.